The Wallonia region want to be sure that we can pay our share of this development program. We can do that through the fact that we are listed, so it's not disruptive in terms of fundraising. And we're quite happy these days that to find some traction and more people interested.
Hey, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Dr. Eric Lehr. He is the CEO of GenFlow Biosciences. And Dr. Lehr, it's good to see you. How are you?
Good to see you, Steve.
Exciting news out from the company today, talking about getting some major financial support for GF1002 and the development of that. Before we get into the financial support itself, maybe remind everyone a little bit about GF1002.
This is our lead compound, and we develop it for MASH. We think we have a good shot because this gene therapy allows us to address the issue of a moving target. MASH is an evolving disease. It starts with fat deposition, inflammation, fibrosis, loss of function of the hepatocyte, and hepatocarcinoma. It's very difficult for any drug, any therapy to hit every point in the evolution of the disease. But that's what GF1002 is doing. Demonstrated that in preclinical trial, and we are now moving to clinical trial as fast as we can. And this financing is there to help us to move to clinical trial.
So yeah, so the funding is just over 4 million euros. So obviously it's a significant amount of funding. Tell me a little bit about where the funding is coming from and how it's going to be used.
It's first, it's a non-diluting, it's grant. Part of it is pure subsidy, part is advance that we have to reimburse when the product is commercialized, but still very attractive, still non-dilutive for the investors. Mostly the proceed will be to complete the IND enabling phase of our program, our preclinical program. Mostly invested in the CMC section, so the manufacturing under GMP condition. We need to demonstrate that our gene therapy is manufactured according to good manufacturing practice with 3 lots. It's long, it's expensive, and this grant help us to do that.
Yeah, tell me about the Wallonia region and where this is coming from.
Wallonia region has been a long time support of the company. They help us when at the beginning of the preclinical program. We are now continuing the relationship with the Wallonia region. This is part for the Wallonia region in an overall effort to promote advanced therapies and CDMO. You know that Belgium has a fantastic place as a CDMO. It was the manufacturing place for the COVID vaccine that's now well known and recognized. It's a very interesting place for gene therapies company like us because you have plenty of CDMOs. We selected a local CDMO, a Belgian CDMO, so we play our role in this ecological niche of advanced therapies and manufacturing.
Yeah, you still have some capital that you'll need to continuing on the development, but for a company your size to get something like this to really cover so much of the cost already, this must be a really great day for the company and more importantly for the development of GF1002.
Yes, the Wallonia region want to be sure that we can pay our share of this development program. We can do that through the fact that we are listed, so it's not disruptive in terms of fundraising, and we're quite happy these days that to find some traction and more people interested. It's good to be in the longevity sector, in the age-related disease. It's hard. A lot of investors are interested, so that gives us a lot of confidence for the next coming 3 years. That's at least we eliminated the financial risk for the company.
Absolutely. It's a very important day for sure. Dr. Lehr, thank you so much. Good to see you and congratulations on this.
Thank you so much.
All right, Dr. Eric Lehr, he is the CEO of GenFlow Biosciences.